Absolutely. Here's your revised script with all hashes removed and kept as a smooth narrative perfect for your YouTube channel waves discovery Imagine staring deep into the night sky and realizing that just 4.2 light-years away, astronomically speaking, our own backyard, there might be another world that resembles Earth. This planet is called Proxima B, and it's orbiting our closest stellar neighbor, Proxima Centauri, a small but active red dwarf star. Thanks to the cutting-edge capabilities of the James Webb Space Telescope, astronomers have been able to capture the most detailed glimpse yet of this intriguing exoplanet, and what they've found could change the way we think about life beyond Earth. Proxima B lies within what's known as the habitable zone, a region around its star where conditions might allow for the existence of liquid water. It receives about the same amount of energy from its star as Earth does from the Sun. That alone makes it an exciting candidate in the search for life. But the story is more complicated than it first appears. Despite its ideal position, Proxima B is constantly bombarded by intense stellar radiation and powerful magnetic storms from its host star. Proxima Centauri is a flare star, meaning it frequently erupts with sudden bursts of energy. These outbursts could easily strip away the atmosphere of a nearby planet, making it incredibly difficult for life as we know it to survive. Still, the possibility that Proxima B could harbor life keeps scientists pushing forward. Computer models and simulations have suggested a range of possible scenarios. Some propose vast global oceans, while others suggest that if water exists, it may be locked away beneath a protective crust or frozen into thick ice layers. But without direct observations, these remain hypotheses. Detecting water on Proxima B, or confirming the presence of an atmosphere at all, is an enormous challenge. It requires next-generation telescopes like the James Webb, paired with nearly perfect viewing conditions. The telescope uses infrared detection, which is especially suited to spotting chemical signatures like water vapor or carbon dioxide. Over time, as our observational technology improves, we may begin to peel back the layers of mystery surrounding this nearby world. But even if Proxima B does have an atmosphere, that doesn't guarantee it's a friendly one. As Dr. Eli Turner, an astrophysicist from Princeton, points out, it could very well resemble Venus, with thick, toxic gases and searing surface temperatures that make it completely inhospitable. This serves as a reminder that being in the habitable zone is just one part of a much more complex equation. Still, what makes Proxima B so captivating is its proximity to Earth. Unlike the thousands of exoplanets we've discovered in far-flung corners of the galaxy, this one is close, tantalizingly close. It invites the question, could we ever visit? With today's technology, a spacecraft like Voyager 2 would take roughly 73,000 years to reach Proxima Centauri. That's clearly not practical. However, innovative propulsion ideas are being explored. Solar sails, for instance, ultra-light sheets powered by sunlight or lasers, could potentially push small spacecraft to 1/5 the speed of light. That could make the journey in just 20 years, turning interstellar travel from science fiction into a reachable goal, perhaps even within our lifetime. The discovery of Proxima B has reignited humanity's deep desire to explore the unknown. It reminds us that even in our immediate cosmic neighborhood, we might not be alone. It's not just another rocky planet circling a distant star, it's a symbol of possibility. And as long as that possibility exists, science will continue to chase it. Even with its incredible capabilities, the James Webb Space Telescope faces limits. While it can analyze faint light from distant worlds and even detect signs of an atmosphere, confirming whether that atmosphere can support life is far more complex. Some researchers have speculated that if an advanced civilization lived on Proxima B, James Webb might even be able to detect artificial lights, a truly wild but fascinating possibility. The broader universe is filled with planetary wonders. From massive super-Jupiters that dwarf anything in our solar system to hot Neptunes with blistering winds and exotic chemistry, these exoplanets showcase the diversity of planetary evolution. Each one tells a different story. Some orbit so close to their stars that their surfaces could melt metal. Others drift in icy darkness, untethered to any star at all. And in between are worlds like Proxima B, planets that feel familiar yet alien, hopeful yet uncertain. Thanks to detection methods like the transit method, where scientists watch for a star's light dimming slightly as a planet crosses in front of it, we've now discovered thousands of exoplanets. And many of them lie within temperate zones, increasing the chances of finding another Earth-like world. But the search doesn't end with finding the planet. Scientists are also looking for biosignatures, specific gases like oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide that are strongly tied to biological activity. If such markers are found in Proxima B's atmosphere, it would be the most compelling evidence yet that we're not alone in the cosmos. The James Webb Telescope is poised to play a key role in that quest. Its sensitive instruments are designed to detect exactly these kinds of chemical fingerprints, even from planets that are light years away. Should we ever confirm the presence of such gases on Proxima B, or any other nearby planet, it would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. Until then, we keep watching, waiting, and wondering. Proxima B may not be a second Earth, but it might be close enough to remind us that our place in the universe is both humble and extraordinary. It challenges us to explore, to question, and above all, to dream of what lies just beyond our reach. As we continue to scan the skies, the universe reveals to us a vast collection of exoplanets, planets that orbit stars other than our Sun. With an estimated 26 trillion stars scattered across the cosmos, these alien worlds offer an almost endless range of possibilities. Among them, some planets drift freely without orbiting any star, like lonely nomads in deep space. But Proxima B stands apart. It is a unique enigma in this cosmic sea, a one-in-a-million world that has captivated scientists across the globe. Proxima B completes its orbit in just 11.7 Earth days, circling its star at a distance nearly 20 times closer than Earth orbits the Sun. This tight orbit creates a fascinating dynamic. One side of the planet is permanently illuminated, while the other side lies in eternal night. Such conditions may seem extreme, but they also contribute to the planet's extraordinary and potentially habitable character. The planet was originally discovered using a method called radial velocity, a groundbreaking technique for detecting exoplanets. By closely observing slight wobbles in a star's movement, caused by the gravitational tug of an orbiting planet, scientists can deduce the presence of hidden worlds. These subtle movements affect the star's spectral lines, a phenomenon known as the Doppler shift in the case of Proxima B. These minuscule shifts in starlight provided compelling evidence of the planet's existence, proving just how powerful and precise this detection method has become. The discovery of Proxima B was a historic milestone. For the first time, astronomers had confirmed a planet within the habitable zone of the closest star to our own, a region where conditions might allow for liquid water. This revelation was met with overwhelming enthusiasm from scientists, scholars, and space enthusiasts worldwide, eager to learn whether Proxima B might harbor life or hold secrets that could reshape our understanding of the cosmos. But the story doesn't end there. Consider the stellar trio: Regulus, Canopus and Proxima Centauri, three celestial neighbors forming the nearest star group to Earth in the night sky. Regulus and Canopus glow brightly in the asterisk Carina constellation, each with impressive magnitudes. Canopus, for instance, ranks as the second brightest star in the night sky asterisk, boasting a magnitude of 0.27. However, it's the humbler Proxima Centauri that hides perhaps the most fascinating secrets. Also known as Alpha Centauri, Proxima Centauri is a red dwarf of the M-type class and lies just 0.21 light-year away from its brighter siblings. That's several times the distance between Earth and the Sun, and yet, in astronomical terms, it's tantalizingly close. Its name, Proxima Centauri, literally means nearest star in Latin, a fitting title for our closest stellar neighbor. Though first identified in 1915 by Scottish astronomer Robert Innes, Proxima Centauri remains invisible to the naked eye due to its faint magnitude of. Even so, it holds a position of great importance in astronomical history. Despite its small size, Proxima Centauri is an energetic red dwarf star capable of sustaining nuclear fusion for trillions of years. These stars generate energy through intense internal convection, making them surprisingly resilient. However, Proxima Centauri is also a flare star, meaning it experiences sudden bursts of energy. These flares emit powerful radiation, especially in the ultraviolet range, which could present serious challenges for any life attempting to thrive on planets nearby. That brings us back to Proxima B. While it lies in the so-called Goldilocks zone, the region where temperatures might allow for liquid water, that doesn't automatically mean it's habitable. The planet is bombarded by intense ultraviolet radiation, far exceeding what Earth receives. Such radiation can strip away essential gases like hydrogen, disrupting the stability of the atmosphere and making it extremely difficult for crucial elements like nitrogen and oxygen to remain. Even if Proxima B began its journey with Earth-like Candida NS, maintaining them under such harsh circumstances would be a monumental challenge. For life as we know it to exist, several ingredients must align: a stable climate, protection from radiation, an atmosphere rich in essential gases, and, most importantly, water. If Proxima B lacks a protective atmosphere, any potential organisms would be exposed directly to the vacuum and hostility of space. Without the ability to regulate heat or retain moisture, the chances of life existing there diminish dramatically. Yet, the quest to understand Proxima B continues with fierce determination. At the forefront of this exploration is the James Webb Space Telescope, launched in December 2021 after years of delays. This remarkable instrument represents humanity's most powerful tool for peering into the distant reaches of the universe. One of its key missions? To uncover whether Proxima B might harbor life. To detect the elusive signs of habitability, the James Webb Telescope underwent rigorous calibration to ensure the accuracy of its measurements. According to leading astrophysicists, observing Proxima B requires extreme sensitivity, as the planet emits infrared radiation, the very wavelengths that the telescope is designed to detect. These faint signals allow astronomers to study the planet's outer layers and search for chemical signatures, such as water vapor or an atmosphere capable of supporting life. Among the most critical questions is whether Proxima B contains liquid water. Water is not just a building block of life, it's a prerequisite. Its presence would significantly elevate the chances of Proxima B being more than just another rocky planet. With the data collected by the James Webb Telescope, researchers are one step closer to answering this question. While many challenges remain, the possibility that Proxima B might one day reveal the first evidence of extraterrestrial life keeps hope alive. With every observation, scientists are learning more about what makes a planet truly habitable and what conditions might allow life to take hold elsewhere in the universe. And for now, Proxima B stands as one of the most promising and mysterious worlds ever